Hey guys, welcome back to the Fab Life with Naomi. Today's video, I am so excited because my friend is getting married and I am one of her bridesmaids. I'll be taking you guys along with me as I prep for the big day, starting from getting my asoebi, doing my nails, doing my hair, doing my makeup, going for the bridal shower and the big day itself. So if you love beauty and lifestyle vlogs, this one is specially made for you. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
A few minutes later.
So guys, this is a beautiful asoebi material for my friend's wedding. You can see how beautiful it is. I love the color. The color is so nice and unique. And this is just the raw clothes. By the time the tailor have worked on it and everything, god damn, it's going to look cute and beautiful on your guest's body.
The next day.
So today I'm going to make my nails, and guys, this is the first time I'm doing a short press on nails. If you know me very well, I love long nails. I don't like short nails. I don't really know why, but for the sake of this wedding, I just need a short nails, something that is very comfy a little bit, and that is why I'm doing this short nails. And you can see the process, all thanks to press on nails, that is easy to do. If you want to go to occasion, you have anywhere to go to, press on nails is a lifesaver. Since I'm just going for the wedding, I just have to do these nails. And if you have not watched how to do press on nails, there's a video on my channel. You can watch it to learn how you can do your press on nails properly as a girly. Girl, if you have not done anything concerning press on nails, you are missing, because I can't just imagine myself sitting for hours, like hours, doing nails. Like, girl, I can't. I'm very lazy when it comes to that, but when I have the time, I do the other nails. But for now, we are press on nail. Like, see how cute it is, so beautiful and easy to do. It's time saving. You don't have to stress over it. Guys, before I make my press on nails yesterday, I've already arranged just my hair, just as you can see from this video. This is curly hair mousse, and this hair is a bouncy hair, but I want to just turn it to a straight hair. I don't have all the time to be using curler on it. No, that's why I want to make it to a straight hair. And this is my moisturizer. It's very nice on hair. It's really nice product. So I'm just going to apply this on my hair as well, just to make it look more shiny, give it that conditioner look. And this is for my closure that I'm going to use to style the front with a hot comb, which you are going to see shortly. So I'll just apply the little that I want. Any amount that you want to use, you can just apply to your closure, so that when you use a comb, it will sleep very well. And this is my hot comb. I like putting my hot comb to the highest, because I want it to be very hot when I'm using it. I don't want it to be like, normal temperature. No, I like it to be hot so that it can sleep all those excesses that are out. So that's what I am doing right now, just to sleep the hair, just as you can see from this video. So guys, once I'm done with this hot comb, I'm going to use a comb, normal comb, just to comb the hair so that it can look cute and beautiful with everything, just the way you can see the hair right now. I'm just going to comb the hair 360-degree, comb every part of the hair so that everything can come together as one. And guys, this is just a finished look, so cute. You can see my closure is very slippery at the front, it's well laid like mad. So this is just how the hair turns out to be. So guys, I've already collected my clothes. Like guys, this cloth is so beautiful. I don't just want to overemphasize on how beautiful the tailor finished work in Nigeria asset. She finished work on the style that I choose, and this is the first time I'm using her. So guys, today I'm going to my friend's house because tomorrow is her bridal shower and I need to be there.
The next day.
And guys, today is the bridal shower. You can see how cute I am with my polka dot dress. Like, see your girl now, so cute. And a friend of her did this little decoration for her as a form of a gift from her to her. It was really nice, and all the girls here were present. They were all nice. Like, this is the first time I'm seeing where girls vibe together and all that. And this is my cute friend. They were chief bridesmaid was wearing her bride to be crown. You can see how joyful it is. It's good to be happy. Oh. It's a joyful day and it's a joyful moment. See how pretty she is. And after this, I just went to meet her. I said, hey, this is the last time. Let's just do a video quick together. You can see both of us and all that. We played a lot of game, and guys, I was high. Like I was drunk at those points. But I was still dancing, shaking my body. All the girls were just like having fun. We play a lot of games. I couldn't film it. I don't really know what happened, but I couldn't film it. So guys, today is the wedding day and I need to glam up because I need to look good for the wedding. I don't have to carry a bad face. No, it will be an error. So the makeup artist came to do makeup for me, which I paid, and guys, look at my face. Look at how pretty I am. I didn't follow them to church. Then I just went directly to the reception where everything was happening. And this is my girl and her husband. Consider she's dancing. Hey, baby girl, give them. One time I forget to tell you guys, this girl know how to dance. I don't know why she's not dancing that much, yo. She's a very good dancer. Look at her now. Look at her talent. Hey, give them. Hey, hey. And after that, it was really fun. Everybody was dancing. You couldn't see me because I was the one that was filming, and the bride and the groom were asked to change for first outfit, just as you can see from this video, and they were still entertaining us, dancing. After that, we played a game called Scavengers. The guys were asked to go to the crowd and look for any lady and wear their shoe and use it to catwalk just as a normal girl they normally wear heels. And it was really fun. The guys said like it was mad fun. They could not walk like a lady. So the DJ was just telling them that you think it's easy for the ladies to wear heels? It's not. Now you people can you see what they are facing. We are just laughing. And the groom said, no, I must show my wife to be that I can dance. Hey, look at the groom now. Look at the way she's shaking his body. And after that, I went to snap. Look at me. Look at my dress. My tailor finished the work. And this is all the Asoebi girls. It was really nice and it was really fun.